Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. I have a beautiful 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE. This has black cloth interior. It does have the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, so you get great gas mileage and quite a bit of power as well. You have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Comes out here and you have power locks and windows, blind spot monitoring. Like I said, you have black cloth interior. You have the display right here that does have navigation. You have to have a service package through Toyota. It does have Android Auto and Apple Carplay as well, though, through USB connection. Your dual climate control. Center gift shops, you have Eco, Normal, and Sport modes, which is always nice. You have adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth. And this thing has a lot of nice features on it. RAV4s are very popular, great mid-size SUV. Have quite a bit of room in the back as well for such a small SUV. I mean that is quite a bit of room back here. And Toyota is well taken care of. They will last you a lifetime. And this thing will not last long. We go through a lot of Toyotas just because they are so popular and so sought after. So my number's down in the description. So is our website and our social media links. But if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see it as well. So let's call me, text me, let's talk numbers, let's make a deal. Let's take this thing home because it will not last long, I promise you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.